Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, biggest volume this chart has had in a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 0.116. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below there, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above 0.116, then that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next overall area of resistance down there at 0.108. So keep an eye on 0.116 and 0.108 as the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So if you're somebody that just cares about more so the broad scope of it all and just wants a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the price movement, then easiest way to use that, or easiest way to gauge that, I should say, is to look at that purple line. As that purple line moves higher and higher, as long as the price is up above it, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As far as where sellers are currently hanging out at, party stop today up there around 0.124. I realize the price technically went up above it, but right up around this area is where the sellers are seemingly hanging out. But really, I don't want to say resistances don't matter, but if the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? So if you could just have it repeat this history where it just keeps on building higher lows after higher lows after higher lows, you picture those as stair steps, then resistances have no other choice but to fail. So yeah, it's fun to talk about levels of resistance, but if the price just keeps building those higher stair steps, the overall chart will take care of itself. So nice way to start off the week. We'll see what the rest of this week has in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.